Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Port St. Lucie, Florida, at one of 5 plants that manufacture Ross mixers in the U.S. For more than 180 years, Ross has been a world-class manufacturer of mixing equipment used throughout the process industries. In 1842, 2 young brothers, John and Charles, opened a business in Rochester, New York. Only Charles survived the Civil War, and he moved the company to Brooklyn. As the national economy expanded and rapidly industrialized, so did Ross. The explosion of chemical, pharmaceutical, food, cosmetics, and plastics production relied on modern mixers that Ross pioneered. In the 1960s, Richard Ross took over the company and remains the president to this day. Under Rich's leadership, the company opened more plants in New York, Georgia, and Florida, eventually expanding to China and India. Charles Ross & Son Company is the corporate headquarters based on Long Island, New York. Today, Ross is an employee-owned company with clients from various industries and contributing to many technological advances. Batteries for electric cars, aerospace composites, energy-efficient coatings, smart polymers, conductive inks, renewable energy. Ross mixers play a role in these and many other applications. Ross makes a difference by designing for the future and applying deep technical experience to solve real-world challenges. Known for innovative engineering and superb construction, this leader in mixing technology is uniquely equipped to meet the needs of virtually any customer anywhere in the world. Come and see Ross Mixers today and visit mixers.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.